Hello, kids! Are you ready to learn how to write the letters of the alphabet? Let's start with the first letter, A. Take your pencil and follow me step by step. Letter A. Start at the top, slant down, back up, slant down again, then a line across the middle. Great! That's A for apple. Letter B. Big line down, bump on top, another bump below, so round and neat. That's B for ball. Letter C. Start at the top and make a curve, all the way around like a crescent moon. That's C for cat. Letter D. Big line down, then a big round belly. That's D for dog. Letter E. Big line down, 3 little lines, top, middle, and bottom. Easy peasy. E is for elephant. Letter F. Line down, line on top, and 1 in the middle. F is for fish. Letter G. Curve like a C, then a little line in. G is for goat. Letter H. Line down, another line down, now 1 across in the middle. That's H for hat. Letter I. A tall line down, cap on top and bottom. I is for ice cream. Letter J. Curve down and hook, then a cap on top. J is for juice. Letter K. Line down, slant up, slant down. That's K for kite. Letter L. Line down, then across at the bottom. Easy. That's L for lion. Letter M. Line down, up, up. So pointy. M is for monkey. Letter N. Line down, slant up, line down. N is for nest. Letter O. A big round circle, nice and neat. O is for octopus. Letter P. Line down, bump on top. That's P for penguin. Letter Q. Make an O, then a little tail. Q is for queen. Letter R. Line down, bump on top, slant down. That's R for rabbit. Letter S. Curve one way, then curve the other. It's like a snake. S is for sun. Letter T. Line down, line across the top. That's T for tiger. Letter U. Start high, go down and around. U is for umbrella. Letter V. Slant down, slant up, sharp and pointy. V is for violin. Letter W. Down, up again. W is for whale. Letter X. Slant down, slants the other way. That's X for X-ray. Letter Y. Slants down again, then straight down. Y is for yo-yo. Letter Z. Line across, slants down, line across. Z is for zebra. Great job, little learners. Now you know how to write all the letters from A to Z. Let's clap for ourselves. Clap, clap, clap.